In the world of automobiles, few names evoke passion and excellence like BMW. And within the legendary mark, one model stands out as an emblem of driving pleasure, innovation, and timeless design, the BMW 3 Series. Welcome to our journey through the history of the BMW 3 Series, a story that began nearly half a century ago and continues to captivate enthusiasts and drivers around the globe. Step behind the curtain of the BMW Design Center, where automotive dreams come to life. Witness the brilliance of engineering and the ingenuity that birthed the first BMW 3 Series. From its inception in 1975, the BMW 3 Series has been at the forefront of automotive innovation. A symbol of the ultimate driving machine, it quickly rose to fame, becoming a beacon of precision engineering, luxurious comfort, and sheer driving pleasure. Through the decades, the BMW 3 Series has also made its mark on the racetracks, dominating competitions and pushing the boundaries of performance. Witness the relentless pursuit of perfection in the BMW factories, where skilled hands and advanced technologies come together to craft each masterpiece. But the heart and soul of the BMW 3 Series lie not only in its engineering prowess but also in the unwavering loyalty of its devoted enthusiasts, who share a deep passion for the iconic model. As we journey through time, we'll explore how the BMW 3 Series has evolved into the modern masterpiece it is today, blending cutting-edge technology with the essence of sheer driving pleasure. Join us as we embark on a mesmerizing ride, unveiling the captivating tales of innovation, rivalry, and triumph that have defined the BMW 3 Series as an automotive legend. Buckle up and get ready to be immersed in the rich history and legacy of the BMW 3 Series. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a moment of this enthralling journey. To many, it may seem like the BMW 3 Series has always been with us. It nearly has, getting its start in 1975 as a two-door coupe that replaced the aging BMW 2002, itself a small, fun-to-drive coupe that both saved the BMW brand and served to bring BMW into the mainstream US market. This first 3 Series was internally coated the E21 and featured designer Paul Brack's crisp, clean, sharp nose styling. Several styling traits from this series left imprints on future 3 Series models, such as the double-kidney grille, a Hofmeister kink at the base of the C-pillar, twin headlights, and a center control stack that was angled at the driver. In the US, the only E21 variant officially imported was the 320i, with a mechanically fuel-injected 1.8-liter, 4-cylinder engine powering the rear wheels. European models offered several 6-cylinder versions. The second-generation 3 Series, E30, arrived in Europe in 1982, and by the end of 1983, the 318i had landed on American shores as a 1984 model, fitted with a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine with a higher compression ratio and with new Bosch electronic fuel injection. A 2.5-liter, inline 6-cylinder variant dubbed 325e arrived shortly after with a detuned version of the Eurospec engine. In 1987, the 325i brought increased performance, and a host of small improvements continued to update the E33 series until it was cancelled after the 1992 model year. The E30 was available in the US as a two-door coupe and convertible and four-door sedan. It was rear-wheel drive by default, but all-wheel drive was available on the 325i. The third-generation E36 3 Series was launched in Europe in 1990, but didn't arrive in US showrooms until 1993 as a 1994 model year car. Again available as a two-door coupe and convertible and four-door sedan, a two-door 318 Ti hatchback was also briefly added to the lineup, only powered with the base 4-cylinder engine. 6-cylinder versions, first known as 325i, then 328i, continued to top the range. The E36 was significantly larger and more modern than the outgoing E30 and boasted integrated plastic bumpers and an ever-increasing array of options and features until its cancellation at the end of the 1999 model year. The fourth-generation E46 3 Series joined the US lineup for the 2000 model year and brought with it another thorough updating of the 3 Series formula. With newly rounded edges on the classic three-box design, US models again were found in coupe, convertible, and sedan forms, with some 70% greater torsional rigidity than before. Luxury features increased again, as did weight and safety, and by now, US customers were offered only inline six-cylinder engines, dropping both the four-cylinder engine and the hatchback model. BMW claims the E46 is the top-selling 3 Series of all time with a huge 3,266,885 examples built globally. In 2006, the 5th generation 3 Series landed on American shores, and BMW now considered the variants different enough to give them their own internal designation. Sedans were known as E90 wagons, now offered to the US for the first time, were E91, coupes E92, and convertibles E93. Turbocharging technology finally arrived for the 5th gen cars, and all models were again larger and heavier than those that came before. 6-cylinder gas engines were the volume seller, but a new 6-cylinder turbo diesel was offered for the first time to the American market. 6th generation 3 Series models, having arrived in 2012, diverged even further, with sedans dubbed F30, wagons named F31, and Gran Turismo models snagging the F34 title. All two-door variants were now moved to the 4 Series model name and developed separately from the sedan. Buyers could choose from sport or luxury themed packages and both 4 and 6-cylinder engines, all turbocharged. The 7th generation 3 Series, G20, arrived for 2019 and again offers a single turbo 4 or 6-cylinder engine, with rear-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive optional. For now, only a sedan variant is available in the US, and it is unclear if a wagon will be forthcoming. Enthusiasts gravitate to the M variants of the 3 Series timeline. BMW 3 Series buying tips. If ever there were a model to take your time buying, it's the BMW 3 Series. Due to generally strong build quality and the huge amounts of 3 Series models sold through the years, there are usually plenty of examples on the market, no matter which generation fries your schnitzel. Generally speaking, clean examples of early generations will be more difficult to find, and you'll pay a hefty premium for anything out of the BMW motorsport department. Be patient and buy the best car your budget can tolerate. If you spend more money now, you'll spend less on upkeep later. In conclusion, if you've enjoyed this journey exploring the captivating world of BMW 3 Series, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. By subscribing, you won't miss any future content on BMW and other thrilling automotive experiences. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to bring you more engaging and exciting content. Let's continue this adventure together as we delve into the fascinating realm of cars. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more thrilling content ahead. Drive on, and see you in the next video.